Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, E. Let's learn colors name. Green color, black, red, sky blue, orange, green, blue. Green color, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. Green color, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. Yellow color, A, B, C, D, E. Brown color, A, B, C, D, E. Kids, read again. Capital letters A, B, C, D, E. Small letters A, B, C, D, E. A for apple, B for bat, C for cat, D for duck, E for elephant. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.